Namaste. What will be the effect of moon when sitting in the 8th house? Okay. So, in various websites and various books, including Saravali, Brihat Parashari, Hora Shastra, Lal Kitab, and various other Western websites, you will be getting moon's effect as negative when moon is sitting in the 8th house. So, you will also be getting the terms like Bal Arishta Yog and mishaps and also mental struggles and issues. But is it actually true, or how should we judge or analyze the results? See, moon when sitting in the 8th house, here it is activating the sign of Scorpio, okay, or Vrishchik sign. So the Scorpio is having three nakshatra zones over here. Any of the nakshatras can get activated. So one by one, if we go through the nakshatras, then Vishakha, okay, Vishakha is the first nakshatra, and the second one is Anuradha, okay, and third is Jeshtha. So it is of Jupiter, we know that it is of Saturn, and it is of Mercury. Say for example, Jupiter nakshatra, okay. So moon is activating the fourth and the eighth house. And what will be the result of this? See, fourth and eighth house is nothing much negative or positive we can say over here, because fourth house is property. Fourth house is, we know, the mother comes here in relation, okay, and eighth house is property of other people, sudden transformation. But transformation is negative or positive, we don't know that. Jupiter is activating, say for example, Jupiter is sitting in the any of the houses. Say for example, Jupiter is sitting in here, okay, in the seventh house. So seventh and ninth and 12th is getting activated. Here we can say with transformation, the person will be having negative life, and with the moon's period when running, very much negative effect will be there, including health, wealth, and income, and at the same time marriage also. Any relationships will be facing struggle, this person. And what will happen if the second nakshatra gets activated? Okay, we will check that. So when second nakshatra of Saturn is getting activated, then what will happen? Say for example, Saturn is sitting over here only, okay. So it is activating the 10th house and 11th house, okay. So now what will be the result? Extremely good for property, extremely good for other people's property as well. The person will be gaining, and at the same time, here income is also very much good. So going through job life will be very much interesting. He will be very much happy, and at the same time, relationship will also be good. Okay, not any major problem I can see here. And what will happen if the Jeshtha nakshatra will get activated? So, if the Jeshtha gets activated, Mercury will get activated there. Okay. So, say for example, Mercury is sitting over here. Okay. So, the second, sixth, and third will get activated. What will be the result? Again, the result will be negative. Okay. Regarding property also will be negative, and income, health, wealth, relationship, everywhere the struggle will be there. Okay. So this is how we need to judge what are the effects. It is not like if sitting here it will create problem. Okay. So if we go into the next thing, that is if we change this, if the lagna is Taurus, okay. So if moon is posited here, what will be the result? Here three nakshatra zones gets activated. So what are those? Mula, okay, and Purvashada, okay, and Uttarashada, okay, Uttarashada. So Ketu and Venus and Sun. So it will be depending if Moon is sitting in, say for example, nakshatra of Ketu. Okay, so that will be creating a different effect. So here the third and eighth house will be getting activated if it is in Ketu's nakshatra. If it is in, say for example, Purvashada, okay, Venus nakshatra, and Venus is sitting over here. Okay, so what will be the result? It is first, fifth, and sixth. So this will again be creating problem. Okay, because there is negative effects are getting activated, negative yogas are forming, and if it is in, say for example, nakshatra of Sun. Okay, Sun. So what will happen? In nakshatra of Sun, Sun is sitting, say for example, here. Uh, okay, here. Okay. So what will be the effect? Here the fourth and 11th will be getting activated. So it is again creating a positive yoga. So this way we have to check. In everyone's kundli, the things will be different, and it is not like you are reading thousands of books. There are thousands of information present, and in various books, various things are telling that Moon in the eighth house will give you this result, that result, Balarishta yoga, mental sickness will be there. It's nothing like that. You have to see in detail like what is happening. So that is the way to judge it. And if you are wanting to know the analysis, if you want to know what are the results, okay, by deeper analysis, then you can connect here. It is the Insta ID, Astro Solutions. If you search, then you can get, and you can also connect directly to WhatsApp also, +91 6289180663. Okay, so here you can connect. I will tell you what is happening in your kundli, health, okay, wealth, career, and relationship, okay, anything, marriage. I'll be telling you by calculating your full kundli. Okay, or if you want to learn astrology, then you can connect here. Very soon batch will be starting, so we'll be telling you the detail about it.